In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a course platform to deliver your lead magnet, and you're going to want to stick around till the end because I'll give you a trick that saves you hours of work when setting this up. Plus, I'll share a special free trial for the software we're using in the description below, exclusively for viewers of this channel. So let's jump in. The first step is to choose a course platform that suits your needs. You want something that's easy to use, offers a clean design, and allows for quick setup. Many course platforms offer lead magnet delivery, so don't worry if you've never used one before. Next, upload your lead magnet content. Whether it's an ebook, video, or a PDF, the course platform allows you to host all your files in one place. For this example, we'll be using a software that lets you create a course specifically for your lead magnet, even though it's not technically a course. You'll want to create a course that's called something like free guide or free masterclass, so it's clear to your audience what they're getting. Now that you've created your course, it's time to design your welcome or landing page. This is where your lead magnet will be delivered. You'll add a simple, compelling description to get people excited about what they're about to access. In this case, make sure to highlight the value they'll gain from your lead magnet and give a clear, straightforward call to action, such as download your free guide now. Once your landing page is set up, you'll add your lead magnet as the first module of your course. This makes it easy for users to find and access right away. When they sign up, they get instant access, and you can even include a follow-up email or reminder about additional content they might want to check out. Another great benefit of using a course platform is the ability to track your leads. Most platforms offer analytics that show how many people have accessed your lead magnet, so you can track engagement and make adjustments if needed. If you're promoting other offers, you can link them from within the course and make sure your audience stays engaged with your brand. Now here's the trick I promised. If you want to keep things simple and automate this entire process, many course platforms offer the ability to trigger an automatic email after someone signs up. This email can contain your lead magnet, or it can be a follow-up email offering more resources, saving you even more time. Before I close off, I want to remind you to grab your exclusive free trial for the software we used in the description below, and I highly recommend you take advantage of it so you can follow along with these steps. Key takeaway: using a course platform to deliver your lead magnet not only keeps things organized, but it also allows you to track your leads and automate the entire process. Simply upload your content, create a clear landing page, and start growing your email list faster. To recap, first, choose the right course platform, then upload your lead magnet and set up a clear landing page. Don't forget to use email automation to save time and track your leads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your free trial link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.